Hi there! Looking for cleaning services which are reliable and affordable for your business? You need the help of professionals whose priority is always you. And if you want to experience real results but don't know where to start, don't worry. We are your best solution. At Cleaning Tampa, we strive for lasting quality by being the best professional office and commercial cleaning in town. Check out how we can help you. We offer office cleaning, post-construction cleaning, floor maintenance, carpet cleaning, and much more. Still not convinced? Check what our clients have to say about us. So pick up the phone and call us now. Cleaning Tampa.